Hey, what's going on? So, a lot of people have been asking, will I receive an IRS stimulus check? So, if you're eligible to receive a payment, you don't need to do anything according to the IRS. The payments should arrive by late January and will be direct deposited to the bank account listed on your 2023 tax return or sent by paper check to the address that the IRS has on record. So, no need to worry about that. But the question then becomes, what do you do with the money? So how to use your IRS stimulus check for a down payment. Now, if you think about it, it kickstarts your savings. If you've had trouble setting aside money, a stimulus check can give you the boost that you need. And there are low down payment options available with programs like FHA that you might only need 3.5% down. And let's not forget, with current interest rates are still incredibly competitive, which makes now a great time to buy. Why using the stimulus check is a smart move? It's hard to tell. So we want to start by assessing your financial readiness, making sure you have an emergency fund and minimal high interest debt before committing your stimulus money. And I can help you with a budget when it comes to things like that. We'll look into first-time homebuyer programs. Many states like Colorado offer down payment assistance or grants to help buyers like you, and open a dedicated savings account just for your down payment. This keeps the money in a safe place separate from other expenses. Now, finally, work with a trusted mortgage lender, somebody like me that can help you find the best loan programs to maximize your buying potential. And investing in real estate now can have big benefits. Here's why. You'll start building equity right away. Your home can grow in value over time. There are potential tax benefits like deductions for mortgage interest and property taxes. And of course, owning a home gives you the stability and freedom to make it your own. Now, your IRS stimulus check could be the key to unlocking home ownership. With a little strategy and guidance. That dream of owning a home, your first ever, may be closer than you think. And if you're ready to go and take the next step, reach out to me and I can walk you through the details. You can visit ficonomics.com right here and set up your own personal program and portfolio to get yourself started. This may not be a today thing. It may not be a tomorrow thing, but it's definitely a thing. You're not a forever renter. You want to get into a home? Let's work on coming up with ways that we can set this up for you in the near future. Thanks so much for your time. Consider this. Reach out and give me a call if there's something I can do to help.